Hi everyone. I was recently gifted some eyebrow rings. And was wanting to show you guys what they look like and how they go on. I do have this like little tool. It didn't come with this. I bought this on my own. But because I have nails, I needed a tool. Okay. Comes in this little pack. I don't remember how many. Oh, okay. And it also comes with an alcohol pad, which is actually pretty nice. But yeah, it comes with like a ton of different, piercings. So I'm just gonna do a regular silver one for right now, like the one I have in my ear, on my eye. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. So like, they have like cute little butterfly ones. Oops. Yeah, they have cute butterfly ones, and then they also just have, they have like moon ones. That one's a little moon. Then they have just a regular silver one. So let's go ahead and get this one out of my eyebrow. Alright, that one's out. Okay. Now we have the new one in. And I'll just use my little tool here. Okay, there we go. Finally. Jeez. Anyway. Got that one in. Super cute, super easy. And then now I will do one of the like butterfly ones or moon ones. Okay, that one was on there tight. Okay. This one is a little sun. That one's a little easier to put in. But yeah, super cute. I love them. Here's like what the butterfly one looks like up close. The moon one. So, if you guys are in the market for some new eyebrow piercings, I definitely recommend these. Thank you.